Hello, good evening everybody. Welcome to Marilyn Korea's kitchen. Today I'm very excited because after a very long time I got these labels which are very much required for my kitchen tins like this to store my condiments. Okay, I bought it online. I searched in all the bookstalls, I couldn't get, but ultimately I got it online. I will use it now to store into the steel dabbas, and I always buy coconut brand dabbas because they last and very good material. You see? Okay. Now I will show you how I'm going to stick on those tins, steel dabbas. This is my desi ghee dabba. I will put the sticker, you have to wipe it dry, okay, and then put the sticker, and I will show you the ghee that is there inside. Done. My dear viewers, in the same way that I did all these stickers, I will do for my other condiments. All the masalas powdered and what you say, like this, full. So okay, I have to still open each of these packets. Dry coriander seeds, then I have this idli rice. Then to make idlis I use the urad dal, black gram dal, black gram. I have this full de-skinned gram, black gram. Okay. Just the way I have done these glass containers with my condiments. This is cumin seeds, this is the ghee. I will at leisure put the labels. I have so many labels and so many condiments. At leisure I will put it. But remember, I always use steel of coconut brand. Okay, they will last and always you can keep it clean. And I have so many, all these condiments that I have, I will fix it. These labels, okay, like rice, idli rice, then I have black gram, black gram, which is de-skinned. This is a full. For idli, dosa, I use this. Okay, so it's very easy for me. Instead of putting in the packets like this, I'll fill it in the tins like this and keep steel tins. So you are welcome to my channel, my dear viewers, and you can see some more videos that I will put whatever I use for my kitchen, be it utensils or condiments or whatever it is. Thank you.